What it do, y'all? It's your boy Beanie. It's no J, because it's a shoe review day. And here we are with another Boost. It's the Boost 350. And these are ones that I was looking for, but I wasn't really sure how I was going to like them. So I said, hey, you know what, man? Let's try to hit. Maybe we'll hit on the Adidas app. And so that's what I did. That's what I'm doing. Keeping these in the collection. These are real nice. You got the Prime Knit up here. Black and white zebra right here. You got Supply 350 in red. Got the pull tabs in black and white. And you got Yezzy Boost all throughout the bottom of the shoe in this milky colorway. And of course it says Adidas Yezzy on the inside. But one thing that struck me odd on these compared to the other 350s that I have is that the toe box area was very loose. Whereby the ones, I have the sesames and the triple whites, those bad boys still haven't really been broken in. Those bad boys are tight. So that kind of caught me by surprise. So these are definitely straight to feet, comfortable, no need to be broken in or anything. I don't know if anybody else had that experience. Let me know down in the comments below. And I think these were, like I said, a good look. He just dropped these for like I think these are the third time now. So I'm just glad I was able to pick these up. Shout out to my boy T Church who told me about these, and I entered the raffle and you know, I got them. So that's what that is. You know what it is. About to hit y'all with another on feet.